If your mouse isn't working, or you just prefer using the keyboard, shutting down your laptop with keys is actually quick and easy. And it works both on Windows 10 and 11. First, make sure you're on the desktop, then press Alt plus F4. If you're inside any app, just keep pressing it until all windows close and the shutdown menu appears. Once it pops up, simply hit enter to shut down or use the arrow keys if you want to restart, sleep, or hibernate instead. Another way is by pressing the Windows key or Control plus Escape, then using the arrow keys or tab to go down to the power icon, pressing enter, and selecting shutdown. And if you ever need an even faster method, press Windows plus R to open the run box. Type shutdown slash S slash F slash T 0 and hit enter. Just be careful because that shutdowns instantly without asking. These shortcuts are super handy when your trackpad freezes or when you just want a faster, no mouse way to power off your laptop. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.